A handheld shower head gives you control that a fixed head simply cannot. Rinsing specific areas, bathing children or pets, cleaning the shower itself, or supporting a family member with limited mobility. Choosing the right one makes that daily difference noticeable. Here are 5 of the best options available right now. The AquaCare is the most reviewed handheld shower head on Amazon, and its combination of pressure performance, hose length, and built-in cleaning function is what keeps it at the top of independent recommendation lists year after year. The 8 spray settings cover the full practical range: rainfall, power massage, mist, pause, and 4 combination modes. The built-in power wash mode is the feature most buyers specifically call out in reviews. It concentrates flow into a high-pressure stream strong enough to rinse a tub, surround, clean tile grout, or wash down a shower wall without a separate cleaning tool. Independent testing confirmed the power wash setting cleaned a full tub surround in approximately 12 minutes, a task that typically requires both a cleaner product and a scrub brush. The 72-inch stainless steel hose is the longest in this list, 24 inches longer than the standard 48-inch hose on most handheld units. That extra length is not a minor detail. It reaches the floor of a walk-in shower for rinsing without bending, extends comfortably to a seated position for elderly users, and gives enough slack to bathe a child in a standard tub without repositioning the bracket every time. 2 wall brackets are included, an overhead adjustable bracket and a fixed low bracket for seated or child level use. Both install without tools. The self-cleaning rubber nozzles dislodge calcium deposits by hand during the shower, maintaining consistent pressure in hard water areas without chemical treatment. Pressure performance was independently confirmed across 30, 50, and 80 PSY supply levels, meaning it delivers usable output even in homes where supply pressure falls well below the municipal standard. The Moen Engage Magnetix addresses the most consistently frustrating aspect of handheld showerhead use, returning the unit to its holder one-handed with wet hands. And it does so with a solution that is noticeably more reliable than any cradle or clip system in this list. As the Magnetix docking system replaces the traditional cradle with a magnetic connection point built directly into the shower arm bracket. The handheld unit snaps back into position with a single movement. No alignment required, no clip to locate, no risk of the unit slipping and dropping onto tile. In a wet environment where grip is reduced, that one-handed reattachment works consistently in a way that clip-style holders do not. The 5.5-inch face is the widest fixed handheld head in this list. Standard handheld units use a 3.5-inch face, which concentrates water into a narrower stream. The 5.5-inch face distributes the same 2.5 gallons per minute flow across a broader surface area, covering both shoulders simultaneously rather than requiring the user to rotate under the stream. For a daily shower, that coverage difference is immediately noticeable. While the 6 spray settings, downpour, rinse, massage, relaxing massage, soothing massage, and wide coverage, cover the full practical range without an overcomplicated selector. The kink-free metal hose maintains its shape at connection points over years of daily use, where standard plastic-coated hoses develop flow-restricting kinks within months. Moen backs this product with a limited lifetime warranty across all components. For a household that uses a handheld unit daily and wants reliable one-handed docking alongside broader water coverage, the Moen Engage Magnetix is the most complete premium option in this list. Now, the Delta ProClean handheld is the most purposefully designed cleaning tool in this list, and the spray setting that earns it that distinction has been independently verified rather than simply claimed on the packaging. The ProClean spray setting produces a wide, high-pressure fan stream with a controlled arc that removes soap scum from tile and glass surfaces. Delta's own testing, confirmed independently, places its cleaning speed at more than twice that of a standard shower spray pattern. The key engineering difference is the fan geometry. The spray covers a wider surface area per pass while maintaining enough concentrated pressure to lift residue without requiring a scrubbing tool. For anyone who rinses down the shower walls and doors after each use, this setting reduces the time that task takes by a measurable amount. Whilst the touch-clean rubber nozzles resist mineral buildup differently from standard rubber nozzles. The surface texture is specifically engineered so that calcium and limescale deposits detach cleanly when wiped with a thumb. No soaking or chemical descaling required, even in hard water areas. WaterSense certification means this head has been independently verified by the EPA to use at least 20% less water per minute than the 2.5 gallons per minute industry standard. For a household of 4 taking daily showers, that reduction translates to a meaningful drop in water and heating costs over a year without a noticeable reduction in shower performance. 6 settings in total cover the full range of everyday use alongside the ProClean mode. Delta backs this product with a lifetime limited warranty. For any household that prioritizes keeping the shower clean between deep cleans, the Delta ProClean is the most functionally specific option in this list. The Moen Eco Performance Magnetix is the only product in this list carrying both WaterSense EPA certification and a DA compliance certification simultaneously. And for the specific households those standards are designed to serve, that dual certification is the most relevant purchasing signal. WaterSense certification means the flow rate has been independently verified to use at least 20% less water than the standard 2.5 gallons per minute rate while maintaining acceptable pressure performance, a requirement set by the EPA, not by the manufacturer. For households in California, Colorado, and other states with strict plumbing flow regulations, this certification confirms the product meets those requirements without needing to verify state-specific compliance separately. A DA compliance certification means the unit meets the physical accessibility standards of the Americans with Disabilities Act. Grip dimensions, operating force, and reach range are all within the limits that support users with limited hand strength or reduced range of motion. For a household managing the bathroom needs of an elderly parent or a family member recovering from surgery, that certification provides a practical reference point beyond general usability claims. The Magnetix bracket can be wall-mounted at any height without permanent installation changes, which means it can be positioned at seated level for a wheelchair user or a person who showers on a shower chair, then repositioned higher without tools when not needed. That adjustability without professional installation is a meaningful practical advantage in a shared bathroom. 6 spray settings. Kink-free 60-inch metal hose, backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty. The AquaDance has been recommended by Bob Vila, Reviewed.com, This Old House, and CNN_. An unusually broad range of editorial endorsements for a product at this price point, and one of the most reliable signals that a budget option genuinely performs as described. The 6 spray settings, Power Rain Pulsating Massage, Power Mist, Rain Massage, Rain Mist, and Water Saving Pause, cover the core range of everyday preferences without the complexity of an 8 or 10 mode selector. As the Power Rain setting is the default high pressure mode, and the pressure output at this setting is what reviewers and independent testers consistently cite as the standout characteristic of this unit at its price. The Rub Clean jets use the same flexible silicone nozzle design found on several premium shower heads in this list. Calcium and limescale deposits are dislodged by rubbing the nozzle face during the shower, a maintenance advantage in hard water areas that prevents the gradual pressure loss that affects standard fixed nozzle heads over time. The 5-foot stainless steel hose is the standard length for handheld units and adequate for most standard shower configurations. The included angle-adjustable overhead bracket fits all standard half-inch shower arms without tools. Bob Vila named this the best bang for the buck handheld shower head in 2026, a label that reflects consistent real-world performance relative to cost rather than simply the lowest price in the category. With over 10,000 verified Amazon ratings and multiple independent editorial endorsements, this is the most credible budget entry in this list.